Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a CBSE student prepping for board exams 2025 or a parent supporting one, you've probably heard the term pressure cooker being thrown around. The immense stress, the sleepless nights, the feeling that these exams define your entire life. Sound familiar? Well, today we're not just talking about that pressure. We're taking it head on. Why do we feel this pressure? It's real, right? Society constantly bombards us with comparisons, percentages, grades. Then there's the fierce competition for top colleges and coveted courses, making it feel like a race we can't afford to lose.
You don't need to study 1,214 hours a day to score above 90%. That's a myth. Quality beats quantity every time. Think about it. Your brain isn't a machine. Instead of cramming for hours, try focused study sessions of just 2-3 hours with breaks in between. The Pomodoro technique is a game changer. 25 minutes of studying followed by a 5-minute break can boost your concentration.
Managing pressure and preparing effectively for board exams. Create a realistic study timetable. Break your syllabus into bite-sized chunks and prioritize key topics. Remember, don't cram at the last minute. Next, prioritize self-care. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Eat balanced meals.
Board exams are just a chapter in your story, not the whole book. They teach you valuable skills like discipline and time management, but they don't define your intelligence or creativity. Schools are shifting towards holistic development, so let's change our mindset. Your worth isn't tied to a score. Your potential is limitless. Approach board exams 2026 as a chance to showcase.
Found this video helpful? Hit that like button and share it with friends who might be feeling the pressure. Remember, exams are not the end of the world. One myth I want to debunk is that cramming the night before is effective. It's not. Consistent study habits are key. Break your material into manageable chunks, and don't forget to take breaks. Also, remember that everyone has their own pace. Focus on your journey, not on comparing yourself.
Thank you for watching.